Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the cloud service models. There are three different types of cloud service models available in cloud computing: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Now we are going to see about what is cloud service model. Cloud computing offers various service model including IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, each with its unique characteristics and advantages. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. It is an on-demand access to cloud-hosted physical and virtual servers, storage, and networking. Provides the IT infrastructure for running applications and workloads in the cloud. It is a cost-effective and scalable solution for businesses. Second was a platform as a service. It is also on-demand access to complete, ready-to-use cloud-hosted platform for developing and managing applications. It simplifies application development and deployment. It is ideal for developers and development teams. And software as a service. It is also on-demand access to cloud-hosted application software, eliminates the need for local installation and maintenance of software, and convenient for end users and organizations. These are the common examples of SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. In SaaS, the common example is a Google Workspace, Dropbox, Salesforce, Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting. For PaaS, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Windows Azure, Google App Engine. For IaaS, DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Services, Google Compute Engine, Microsoft Azure. So this is the service types available in cloud provided by BMC for on-premises, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. The different service types are available: application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, server, storage, and networking. First, we are going to see briefly about the SaaS, software as a service. It's a popular cloud service model. It delivers applications over the internet, that is software managed by third-party vendors. Applications run through web browsers, eliminating the need for downloads or installations. The BMC provide who are come under the SaaS service types, that is application, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, and networking. All the services available under the software as a service model. SaaS delivery. Web-based delivery model simplifies usage. IT staff is not required to install application on individual computers. Vendors manage technical aspects like data, servers, and storage. And advantages of SaaS: it reduces time and money spent on software tasks, allow technical staff to focus on more critical issues. The characteristics of SaaS: managed from central location, hosted on remote servers, accessible over the internet, and user not responsible for hardware or software updates. When to use SaaS? Startups or small companies needing quick e-commerce solutions, short-term project requiring easy collaboration, applications requiring web and mobile access. There is a situation where software updates are a burden. We need to use SaaS. The limitations and concerns: interoperability and integration challenges, vendor lock-in issues, limited customization capabilities, lack of control over data and governance, feature limitations, performance and downtime dependencies. The example of SaaS we already seen. Again, we have seen the Google Workspace, Dropbox, Salesforce, Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting, and SAP Concur. Next, we are going to see briefly about platform as a service. It provides cloud component for software development. We are going to develop a software in PaaS. The developers build customized applications on PaaS frameworks. PaaS offer platform for software creation, freeing developers from infrastructure concerns. PaaS delivery. It's similar to SaaS. PaaS delivered via the web. Developer focus on building software without worrying about infrastructure. Scalable and highly available applications can be created, that is middleware applications. In PaaS, the service provided by PaaS is applications and data. These two services only we can manage in PaaS. Remaining runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, networking are managed by the providers. The advantages of PaaS is it is a simple and cost-effective app development and deployment, scalability and high availability, automation of business policies, reduced coding efforts, easy migration to hybrid models. The characteristics is it's built on virtualization for flexible resource scaling, offer various services for development, testing and deployment, accessible to multiple users through the same development application, integrate web services and databases. When to use PaaS? Streamline workflow, that is live streaming for collaborative development, speed and flexibility when involving multiple vendors. It is ideal for creating customized applications and cost reduction and simplification for rapid development. We use platform as a service. And the limitations and concerns is data security challenges in third-party cloud servers, complex integration with existing systems, vendor lock-in risk, customization challenges for legacy system, runtime issues with specific framework, and operational limitation for end users. Example of PaaS is AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Windows Azure, Force.com, Google App Engine, OpenShift. And final one is we are going to see about the infrastructure as a service. It offers highly scalable and automated computer resources. It provides self-service access to computing, networking, storage, and more. Businesses can purchase resources on demand instead of buying hardware outright. Here we are going to see what services user can manage and provider can manage. The application, data, runtime, middleware and OS. These services are managed by user, and virtualization, server, storage and networking are services managed by providers. IaaS delivers cloud infrastructure via virtualization technology. Organization have control through a dashboard or API. It includes servers, networking, operating systems, and storage. IaaS offer the capabilities of traditional data center without physical management. The advantages of IaaS is it is most flexible cloud computing model, easy automation of deployment for various resources, hardware purchases based on consumption, complete control of infrastructure retained by clients, resources can be purchased as needed, highly scalable. The characteristics of IaaS is resources available as a service, cost varies depending on consumption, highly scalable, multiple users on a single piece of hardware, dynamic and flexible. When to use IaaS? Startup and small companies avoid hardware and software expenses to use IaaS. Large companies retain control and purchase what they need to use IaaS. Rapidly growing company benefit from scalability. Uncertain application demand favor IaaS flexibility. The limitation and concerns for security concern including insider threat and system vulnerabilities. Legacy system may require enhancement for cloud migration. Additional resources and training may be needed for effective management, multi-tenant security and isolation challenges. The example of IaaS is DigitalOcean, Linode, Rackspace, Amazon Web Service, Cisco Meta Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Google Compute Engine.